So with the design of Rideo, we started from the ground up with the 3 pillars to the Rideo design: style, performance, and safety. And boy, is this thing packed with features. First, its unique patented folding design makes it super easy to pack and store, but allows you to be riding in seconds. The super sturdy frame is made from cutting edge, super light, and incredibly durable materials. We made Rideo kid tough, and even ran a truck over it to prove it. From there, what's a bike without the wheels? Featuring 2 super plush, puncture resistant wheels, your kids will be riding smooth no matter the terrain. Sturdy, sticky, stylish grips for ripping down technical terrain, and a comfy adjustable saddle to change heights as your kid does. The Rideo's patent-pending folding mechanism allows you to stow the bike down to a tiny footprint when not in use, but of course it snaps back in seconds for quick and safe riding. And our shoulder strap and travel bag accessories take this versatility even further.